Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace an LED light assembly in this GE refrigerator, you may need a Phillips head screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. If you're replacing the upper refrigerator compartment LED light assembly, detach the LED light assembly cover by pulling it down from the rear. You can now disconnect the LED light wire connector, then depress the tab to release the old assembly. To install the new LED light assembly, insert the right side under the right retaining clip, then position the assembly over the posts and snap it into place. Connect the wire connector. Reposition the cover and snap it into place. When replacing the LED light assembly in the lower refrigerator compartment, slide out the upper drawer if necessary. Next, remove the LED light cover. You can now disconnect the wire connector and depress the tab to release the old component. Install the new light assembly in the same manner as the one in the upper compartment. Replace the cover. Replace the upper drawer if necessary. To replace the freezer compartment LED light assembly, first pull out the ice bucket and remove the upper shelf. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screw securing the light cover. With the screw unthreaded, squeeze the sides in to fully release the cover. You can now replace the light assembly in the same manner as the other two assemblies. Once installed, replace the cover by aligning the lower cover tabs first, then snap the side tabs into place. Rethread the screw to secure. Replace the shelf, as well as the ice bucket. Plug the appliance's power cord back in, and the refrigerator should be ready for use.